would you like to draw today?
A fox?
A fox doing what?
I want he to sniff like a cat.
You want the fox to be sniffing? Veda, I love you.
You too, Dad.
Thanks, bud.
You're
Okay.
welcome.
Okay, so follow along. We're going to do a fox sitting, sniffing a flower. So we're going to start right here. A little nose. Yeah, you got it. Now we're going to draw kind of his pointy little nose like that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Veda. Yep, that's right. And then at the top, foxes have, here, let's draw maybe a couple little tufts of hair at the top. Mm-hmm. And then they have these really cool ears. Go up.
Could you help me with?
Yeah, sure. So maybe we'll draw one ear right there. That's cool. And now behind his tuft of hair, maybe we'll draw one more ear.
Could you help me with the other one?
Sure. One more fox ear right there. How about that?
That's a good idea.
Okay.
Okay, now?
And now, do you know what? Foxes, do you know what's really cool about foxes? Right at the top, they have little black tips.
Now we have to do.
So color it in. We're going to draw a little
It's
a
like
little
a
black
cat. It's like a cat.
It kind of looks like a kitty, yeah. And see the ends of their ears are kind of black.
And then we have to draw his ears.
And we're going to draw this tip of the ear black
and then
too.
we have to draw his tail of him.
Let's draw a little tuft of hair down here and the inside of his ear. So good, Veda. That looks great. I like your fox. Now, let's draw his back. So he's going to be sitting. You want the fox to be sitting, hey? Right? So maybe draw his back. And we're going to draw his back leg right here. So big hoop.
Could you help me with that one?
You want to draw the loopy loops right here?
Yeah, we
Okay, there you go. Oh, and maybe draw his back. Do you want to draw his back, a line from here to here? You do that part. Really good,
And we
Veda.
have to do his tail.
And you know what? His foot is very long down here. So we're going to go, look at his foot comes out like this. He's got a couple little claws, and then it comes back and meets up. And now we're going to draw his front foot. So it's going to come out like this.
Could you help me with that one?
A big foot out like that. And then a little claw like that.
I know how to do that.
Yep. I like that, baby. And we're going to draw his tummy now. It's going to come up like this. And then like this, right up to the bottom of his chin. You are doing great. What about one more paw right here?
Okay.
Yep. I'm going to draw one more paw right here.
I'm gonna miss
Like that. And then that goes all the way up like that. One of the coolest thing about foxes, I think, is the tail. And it's kind of like a big point.
Wait, how?
And then all the way back in.
Wait, how?
Yep. Yep, like that. And then back in. Back to the body. And then at the very end, we kind of have pointies. Pointy, pointy, pointy.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And then he's got to be smiling, right? Let's draw a little smile. Watch this. Look at this little fox.
Yeah.
He's smiling. And we got to do his tummy. So his tummy kind of starts like this. Down and then behind
Like
like
this.
that.
Like this.
Uh-huh.
Like this is his tummy.
That looks great. We got it. You're welcome. Now, should we do his eyes?
Yeah, I'm gonna show this.
I'm going to do this guy's eyes closed. Like he is just taking in the flower. And then we have to do his back foot behind his tummy. So that kind of comes down like this. Oh, I love it.
And one more time, go.
And then down here, the paws. and then back. So look at this little fox. And then we want to draw a flower.
Oh.
So a circle underneath his nose.
Again.
And then petals all the way around the flower.
Again, a little line.
Yep. Then a little line, and then a couple little leaves. And a line in the middle of the leaf, and maybe another one on
This is my flower.
the other side. Ooh, that looks like a nice flower. Is that a perennial?
No, it's a flower.
It's a flower.
Yeah.
Cool.
Even when I'm sad. And you will sad if I love you. Oh, even though I love you.
Veda, thank you.
Okay. Now we have to have one more part.
Should we draw him sitting on a hill? So the hill kind of goes up like this, behind the flower, and then behind the fox, and then back down on the other side. Do we need to draw an animal or something above him?
Oh, sun.
Sun? Let's do the sun. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's draw it right over here. Nice big circle.
Yes.
Yep. Looks like a great circle. And now lines coming out from the sun. Like it's nice and bright. And spring is here. What a funny little fox we made. Hopefully you like your fox too. Is the fox feeling sad or happy now? Happy. Okay, I'm going to write my name right on the bottom, and you can too. Good work. Yes, and then you also have an A right at the end, which goes like this, up, down, and across.
Yeah.
Right on, buddy. Excellent. Are we done?
Yeah.
That looks great. Lids on. And thanks for following along. Hopefully you have a nice, spring, happy, sunny fox and a flower. High five.